video, we will be doing a hair unboxing. So yes, I got Dynasty hair. So I will be unboxing this for you guys, showing you guys what comes in the package if you was to order hair from them. So if you like to see this video, just keep on watching. So when you receive your package of hair, all of their like bundles, whatever you order comes in a little purple bag. Sometimes it's white. It just, I guess it varies on what they have like in stock. But you should receive a package like this when you get your hair. Then when you open your hair, your bag, your hair should come like this. So it comes packaged like this. So I'm gonna set this down, and then so when you receive it, you get, some things are basic, but your hair should never be. You get like a little flyer card, then you get a thank you card, and then you also get like a booklet, and it just tells you how to take care of your hair, which is good. And it just really just shows you products that they sell, lashes, edge brush, and then they just have some pictures of people with the hair. And then on the back it tells you like all the things that they have. So they offer hair extension, wigs, clip-ons, eye tip extension, tape-in extensions, hair care, mink lashes, and hairstyling tools. So that's a good thing you get with your order. Then you also receive a pen, and then I also received a hair clip. I don't know if you can see that, but you don't always get, this is my first time ever seeing this in packaging. And then sometimes they have it advertised where there's, like I see if you order over a certain percentage, like a certain amount, that you can get a brush set as well. So I like it when I get the bag though, because I feel like it's good to store your hair. Like once you take it out in here, or if you make a wig and you don't have nowhere to put your wig, you can store it in here as well. So let's get into the hair itself. So I received a deep wave frontal and 4 deep wave bundles in 613. So all of the packaging comes, like all your hair comes in a package like this. So at the top it tells you what kind of hair and the length of the hair. See, so it shows the color of the hair and the pattern of the hair along with the inch. So yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the, sorry if I'm making so much noise, I'm a little creepy. So I'm gonna start off with the frontal. So this is a deep wave 13x4 lace frontal, and it's 20 inches. So it always comes in a hairnet. So this is the frontal along with the curl pattern. So I will be dyeing this hair, and I will show you guys on how I dye my hair. But this is the wave pattern, and let's see. I got some shitty, but nothing too drastic. But this is the back of the closure, frontal. So it looks like the standard like parting space that you get with a frontal. But that is the frontal. So moving on to the bundles. So I got 28, 26, 24, and a 22 inch. So, like I said, well, I haven't said, but in my other videos, yes, they sent me the hair. Okay, I didn't buy this hair. They sent it to me because I'm an ambassador for their hair. But let me just stop you right here. I do not get paid. Do I need to like slow it down for you? I do not get paid to make YouTube videos on their hair. So therefore, this is not a sponsored content. Cause I could have swore when something is sponsored, that means they pay you to do it. They don't pay me to post YouTube videos. So we just gonna leave it at that. So if you have a problem with me showing you the hair, or if you have a problem and you feel like lying, don't watch the video. If you got some bad hair before, I can't help you with it. I don't know nothing about it. So I just need to throw that in there. So if you have a problem with your hair, or you had a problem with hair previous with them, you need to contact them. Don't come for me in the comments, okay? Especially if you ain't got no profile picture, don't come for me. But back to the video. So this is the 28-inch bundle. So the pattern is really cute. I've never seen a deep wave 613. So that could be just me, but I don't know. I ain't never seen a deep wave 613. So this is the hair. It is getting like a little like tangly at the ends, but and I got a little shedding, but that's it. But this is, I think I said 28. Yes, so this is 28. I ain't finna stand up, y'all, but this is 28. So this is how long it is, if you can see. So it's pretty long, like stretched out. So that's the 28 bundle. And this is how the weft is looking, because I know some people like to see that. So it don't look that bad for like 28 inches. But like I said, I am dyeing this hair, and I'm going to show y'all that process too. So we're going to see if it's going to keep these curls after some water hit it. I don't know, because like I told you, I've never seen blonde hair curly. Like, never. But this is a 26 inch. Like I said, it always comes with a hairnet. So it's the same as the other bundle. I'm trying to like give y'all enough like information. Is the hair soft? It is kind of soft. It's just a lot like tangly, but I mean it's deep wave hair, so it's like kind of curly. So to me, curly hair is a little tangled. But this is the 26 weft, and compared to this is the 28, this is the 26. So it looks like you get more in the 26, as you should, if that's how that's supposed to go. You're supposed to like the longer the bundle, the shorter the weft. I think that's how that goes. So far with 2 bundles, this is what it's looking like. So I don't know. It might be, you might not need 4 bundles for a wig, but I don't know. I like my wigs to look full. So let's see. I'm not trying to make this video too long. So this is the 24. I'm not gonna run my hands through it, but this is the 24-inch bundle, and the weft did get bigger. And then the last one we have is 22. So this is the 22. So, and the 22 compared to the, I want to say it's the 24. So 22, 24. So it is bigger. So yes. So let me show you guys. So this is all of the hair. So it should be like a good, a good outcome. Let's see. So you get all these 4 bundles, and these are what the wefts are looking like. So yeah, here's the hair. Okay, y'all, that is all for this video. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. I haven't done a hair unboxing in a while, but yes, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button, be a part of the family, join the team, and also make sure you have your post notification bell turned on so you don't miss an upload. And I just want to say thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you. We at 400 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000 by the end of the year. Can we do it? I think we can do it. But and thank you for all my new subscribers returning. Hi guys. But yeah, that is all for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.